parent hides a recording device in the child's backpack to catch what's happening during visits with the other parent.
That's gotta be true.
Oh, no.
But is it legal or just petty? Is it?
Oh, is it against the law, or if it's petty? That's what we're saying.
Mhm.
Okay.
I'd say this is petty.
Legalized, legal. Okay, to record, and the other parents supervise visits. Petty.
Is it like a recorder or a video?
Well, if it's in the backpack, it's
Well,
not
yeah,
gonna
that's
catch
true.
the-
That's true. That's rude. My bad. That was a stupid
You look
question.
at the video and you just see like the kids like
It's just
Capri
audio.
Sun and
That's
his
just-
goldfish.
I say this is petty. You say what?
Petty.
That's petty.
So it is actually illegal in
Yeah.
Texas. Texas is a one-party consent state for recordings, but that consent must come from the person participating in the conversation, not a third party. So hiding a recording device in a child's belonging likely violates Texas penal code, and it is petty too. It is beyond petty. So
That's good to know.
yeah, it's illegal surveillance.
You know, we're in the limbo. I think we've talked about this in other episodes too. We're in the limbo of when is a good time to give phones to our kids when they reach a certain point where it's time for them to need a cell phone. Which, by the way, did you know Texas recently passed a law that you cannot have any electronic devices on school campus, period. They prohibit that.
Oh my gosh, I seen some video of like they have these little like pockets.
You have to
case things
like
that, like-
lock it up
Yeah,
in
you
like that
can't open it.
storage.
Open it.
Right. You can't have it out in campus at all. Like it prohibits it, and it passed this past whatever year. So this year, starting this school year, they are not allowed to have phones, not even smartwatches, none of that. Only the computer, like the district
doesn't make too
issued
much sense,
computer is fine. I mean, obviously that's part of their learning.
We're talking about
but-
like they can't use it while they're at school, or they can't have it at all.
They can have it, but it has to be in that storage thing.
Yeah,
they
they
can
have,
have it,
like-
but they can't pull it out, not even lunchtime.
I've heard
recess,
some
none
teachers
of
do
that.
like a box, like a phone, like put all your phones in the case in the box. I have also the video that I was talking about. You ever seen those waterproof cases that people usually use whenever it's you go out to like a lake or
Oh yeah, those
float a
little
river?
pouch things.
They have like little pouches. Have you seen them? They're like in little plastic things. It looks super similar to that, but I seen kids like trying to use a pencil to open it up, but I think it's some sort of like lock safe.
What if you need to talk to your parents?
So they say that, right? That was people's argument is that
Probably
if
you'd have
it's
to go
an
request it from a
emergency,
teacher.
right? Because I mean, think about it. In my age, I'm old, but like I didn't have a phone until junior year in high school. So all that time, I didn't have access to call my mom real quick to get something. I had to go down to the office or tell my teacher to like, hey, can you contact my mom? Or they'll contact them for me. It was never me reaching out to them. So, but that was the norm back then. But I mean, elementary kids have phones these days. But yeah, they completely prohibited this year. So they're not allowed to have it on campus at
I
all.
got
Just
my
take a
first
decoy.
phone in middle
Just
school.
take a decoy phone.
But it's a law though. So my question is, what are they gonna get arrested? Or like I wonder
No.
how would that work.
Fine.
That
How
part
would
I
you-
don't know. Maybe a fine.
You're gonna arrest a kid or fine them for having a phone at school. Come on, bro.
But like, are they gonna fine the parents because they're the one that gave that part? I don't know. I didn't put any research behind that, but I thought that was interesting. And they're being really strict about it.
I don't agree with. Do you agree with it?
Because technology have been so much more like available now, like in terms of like testing, they don't have paper tests anymore. There's no scantrons. Everything.
Still Scantrons.
Well, my
still use
kids, they don't use Scantron at all.
Maybe not in like high school, but I know they still use them in college.
Maybe college, I don't know, but for sure, like elementary, middle, high school, they don't use Scantron. All
Tax
their
tests?
there's
You
no.
have to take that. I mean,
It's
like
all
those tests.
computer. The STAR tests are all done.
I remember
in
having
computer.
to sit there and bubble those
Yes.
50 questions, flip to the back, and I'd get confused on like, do I start at 71 or 60?
Yes.
What was it? And
Right. It's not like that anymore. So that has done away with it. So a lot of that cheating, like smartwatches, people text back and forth answers or look something up, So like that kind of stuff, they prohibit it. So I'm not mad about it. And for context, we don't have she's going to be in 8th grade, so she's 13. She doesn't have a phone. She's been begging for one,
I
but
got one. At
we
like
have
7th
certain
grade,
like
8th
stipulations
grade.
that she needs to do first before we get there until we're ready for her to have a phone. But the whole other parent visitation has been in our radar too, as to how do we trust her with the phone while she's not within our
Gaze.
yeah. Thank you for watching another episode of Legal Lounge. If you enjoyed this episode, you can always give our office a call to schedule your free 30-minute consultation with one of our team members. Check the description below and give us a call today.